Thanks for watching the video. There's going to be more coming. I'll try to have more detail about wiring and the various kinds of circuitry you might run into. Hopefully it's pretty straightforward for you. Bulk of what we're going to work with in the lighter industry and smaller shops is going to be single-phase electricity. Although in our shop we do have three-phase, it does help for some of the larger equipment and some of the tools we have. So we will cover three-phase, cover the wiring and the various things that occur about the wiring that you might need to know. That's real specific. I do encourage you to take time to go to YouTube videos and search for three-phase electricity, as well as single-phase, how to wire circuits, more information on that. There's also, I found a real great little video about how three-phase really works and what it is. We've talked a lot about single-phase, two-phase, as well as three-phase. Single-phase being typically like a 110, 120 outlet. A two-phase is 220 volts typically because there's two separate 110, 120 outlets. Three-phase being, in essence, three of the phases. In other words, two legs that are the same voltage and sometimes one is different. Now, the challenge there with that is that on three-phase electricity, you can have two 110s and a 240, or three 110s, or you can have three 240s, depending upon how the transformer is wired, how the circuits are wired, and how your shop's wired. We appreciate your time. Hopefully this is enjoyable for you.